Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Dark Chocolate because I'm dark. I love chocolate, and the acronym of my name Itunu is IT. So if you had everything together, you're going to have Dark Chocolate. Today's video, I'll be sharing with you guys the 2 ingredients that worked for my hair. Like, I wasn't expecting the result. I just felt like, let me try this thing that people are trying and see if it's going to work for my hair, and it worked for my hair. I'm never leaving this ingredient. Like, I'm never ever leaving the ingredient, except for 2 side effects that happened, and that is dryness and build up. I don't know the concept behind the effect yet, but still I think the growth rate is actually amazing. Like, I grew 1 inch in 7 days, like 1 inch in 7 days. Normally my growth rate is WACK, WACK. My growth rate is bad. Like, I grew between 0.5 and 0.8 inches within 4 weeks, like within a month. Just 0.5 inches, and if I'm lucky, 0.8 inches in 4 weeks, like a month. Can you imagine? That's why, despite the fact that 1 year natural, I'm still struggling to to grow about 10 inches. So I was tired of my growth rate, and I felt like, okay, let me try this thing that people have been trying and see if it's going to work for my hair. And I was surprised. The result was amazing. The reason why it worked for me was because, number one, my braids were big. So if you're trying this hairstyle, make sure your braids are big, because if they are not big, when you're taking it down, you're going to lose the amount that you actually gained. Like, imagine hair loss is equal to hair gain. You're not going to gain anything. So you need to make sure that you have big chunks of braids or cornrows, so that when you're taking it down, the manipulation will not be too much, and you'll be able to manage the dryness. The second thing that I think affected the growth rate is that, or the ingredient is that, I made sure that I incorporated fruit into my diet. So if you incorporate fruit into your diet, you're definitely going to gain some inches, like yeah. So the 2 ingredient that I used is this popular MSM powder. I got this from Apps Connect. So I tried taking this orally, but oh my goodness, the side effects were much. Like, I couldn't cope with the side effects. I was having dryness, throat dryness. I was having stomach ache, and to top it all, my menstrual cycle was messed up. I stopped after the 2nd day, and I stopped. So when I was searching online on what's up with MSM, so people tried it externally, and I felt like maybe I should try it. So I used this MSM, and I added fermented rice water. So these 2 ingredients, actually, with the 2 factors that I mentioned, big cornrows and incorporating fruits to your diet, so I think this major thing worked for me. So the fermented rice water, I feel like fermented rice water is better than boiled rice water. Maybe it's just in my imagination, but it's something that I feel like, okay, fermented rice water is actually better, because there is nothing like heat damage or something. I just felt like, okay, fermented rice water is okay for me. I've been trying it, and it's been working. I just fermented it for about 20 hours, and you have something like this. You're going to have something like this. And your MSM powder, I just added maybe like just 1000 milligram of MSM powder into this quantity of fermented rice water. So after getting my spray bottle, I just pour the rice water inside my spray bottle. Okay, so this is it, and I added MSM. For the sake of this video, I don't have the weighing scale with me, so I'll just be pouring the amount that you feel like. So just add it to it. Normally you're supposed to add just 1000 milligram. You shouldn't be adding it. I'm going to shake. Do not add vitamin C to this. Normally vitamin C actually increases the rate of absorption of the MSM, but you're not taking this internally, so you don't need vitamin C. And that's why I said you should incorporate fruits into your diet, so that even if your scalp is absorbing the MSM, maybe it's all in my head, but I'm sure that my scalp will absorb the MSM. Then after that, the fruit will be able to do the work. I don't know, but I just know that all these four things, they have connection. So I'm just going to shake, 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 shake. And I have my recipe. And all you have to do is just spray, 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 and spray this on your hair. Right now I don't have cornrows, so I'm not using this for now. I'm going to be putting preservatives in this. There are so many preservatives out there, but make sure you add preservatives to it, because you don't want to be adding bacteria, fungi, mold into your hair. You don't want that. So make sure you add preservatives. There are so many preservatives. You can use Optivine Plus, you can use potassium sorbate, you can use vitamin E. Just make sure you add sorbate to it. And if you do not want too much dryness, you can add maybe oil before spraying the rice water, or just add something that will moisturize your hair before, because this thing can dry your hair, but at the same time you are going to grow some inches. Like I grew 1 inch. I couldn't believe it. Like on the norms, I only grew 1 inch when I don't know, but I don't grow that much. So, and that's it, guys. That's all about my recipe. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe. And if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. Let me know in the comment section. So just MSM and fermented rice water, and apply it to your hair every single day, morning, afternoon, night, or morning and night, or at night. It depends on you actually, but it would be nice if you apply it at night, because you don't want to wear your wig on wet air. It's going to be smelly. Just apply it at night, so that the next day your hair will be dry and you'll have problem with odor stuff. It's really effective, for real. I wasn't expecting this result. I wasn't, but I got the result. It's awesome. Like awesome. Anyways, thank you so much, guys, for watching this video. I'll connect with you guys in my next video, and that will be next week. So make sure you subscribe, turn on post notification, and do not forget to leave a comment down below. If you have any question, I will reply to your comments. Bye.